what I do when my day is over. After picking the right clothes for about an hour. Ooh, I'm turning orange from all the carrots around my neck. Tonight I'm taking out the bling and I'm dressed to impress. Out on the streets, all the taxis are showing me love, 'cause I'm shining like a princess in the middle of thugs. And at the club the bouncers recognize my face. So while you waiting in the line, we just enter the place. Let's get this party started, right? Let's get drunk and freaky fire. You with me, so it's alright. We gonna stay up the whole night. Let's get this party started, right? Let's get drunk and freaky fire. I'm calling all my ladies at the table 3, throwing back a couple bottles and the taps on me, having some giggles. Then we start to get crazy, table dancing, smashing glasses. It starts to get naughty. It's time to show them how we do on the floor. So while the DJ play my track, I want my girls on the floor. I got the surround sound, so why wanna see me fall? I'm just trying to have a blast and I ain't taking your call. Let's get this party started, right? Let's get drunk and freaky fire. You with me, so it's alright. We gonna stay up the whole night. Let's get this party started, right? Let's get drunk and freaky fire. Ladies are on my team, and we know how to look that nice, how to fucking scream. We getting ugly in the club, we look a little trash, but all the ballers in the club know we got that class. I'm bringing the weirdest crew at the after party. Just got in the hotel room and this is getting started. Better wake the fuck up, 'cause we not here to sleep. Our feet is hyped up in this bitch and I'm banging at me. Now you and you, come on, let's take it to the next level. Let's all go to the hotel pool as we finish the bottle. Maybe kiss and don't tell, it's the rule around here. You must have me under a spell, I lose control when you need me. Let's get this party started, right?